Welcome to the Kare Room Designer app. In this how-to tutorial, you will get all the information you need for the virtual reality part. Start tabbing on Room Planner. In the first step, select the room where you want to start with. You can change the length and the color of each wall by tapping on it. Tap on doors on the bottom left and select between the doors. Simply just drag it to the wall where you want to have it. Tap on rotate and the door will be opened from inside. Now tap on the bottom left on windows. You can choose between a single window or a double window. Simply just drag it again to the wall. Tap on next and your 3D room will appear. Tap on add products to start adding the articles you want to have in your room. Now you can select between accessorized furniture or lights. Tap on the product you want to start with and it will appear in your 3D room. You can rotate a product by using 2 fingers. You can move the article by using 1 finger. Simply just move it to the position where you want to have it. Create your new room by adding all the articles you want to have in. If you want to duplicate an article, you can do this by tapping on the bottom left on Duplicate. If you want to move an article up or down, for example a picture, you can do this by using your 3 fingers. You're unhappy with an article? Simply just tap on the bottom left, Delete, to eliminate the product, and select a new one. Tap on Share Screenshot to share your created room on social media with your friends or send it via email. Give your project a name. Tap on Save Project to save your project on your mobile device, or you can save it in your cloud by adding your email address. If you want to change something in your 3D room, tap on Room Planner to go back and take some tiny changes. You do also have the option to walk around your room. For this, tap on Walk and use the desktop keys. If you tap on Shopping Cart, you will see all the selected articles that are now in your room. You will see the name, the article number and the prices. Now tap on Send Request and select the Kare store of your choice. Fill out the information and we will come back to you as soon as possible. If you tap on Home, you will be back in the main menu. Here you can see all your saved projects and reopen them anytime, on the mobile device or in the cloud. So try it out and download the Kare Room Designer app.